hiding and seeking.
CodeCombat.
Find and collect light stones. Defeat the brawler ogre. Your goal is to move each of the red X marks. Your goal is to move to each of the red X marks, searching for light stones. If you find one, you have to hide it at the center, good grief, X mark before continuing your search. First, finish the check, take, hide function to hide in the center of the map after finding a light stone. Then, example the sample code that calls check, take, hide stone at the right X mark and write your own code to call it at the left X. Alright. Good grief. Check, take, hide function, which is the item. So if there's an item, wherever the position is, we're gonna take it and move to the center of the map. So center of the map is 4034. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, so while true, the hero is gonna move to the right, up there. Light stone, we're gonna look for the light stone. If we find it, then we're gonna take it. Wait, we're moving to the item, but are we taking the item? We'll see. Hero move 1256. I feel like that's right, but I feel like there needs to be a take function, a take command, but we'll see. Oh, it automatically took it. Never mind. Oh, they pulled up. There's nothing there. Where are we coming from? So what if he popped out? Okay. I feel like based off of the timing, we luck up to not have this. He just passed out? Is he tired? What? What happened? Did he need the light stone to live? Oh, it said gather 4 light stones to defeat the brawler. Okay, I guess he needed some vitamin D. Who knows? He needed the light. Forest miners. Humans